Hey YouTube, we're gonna be playing Angry Birds today.
Well, I happen to have a load of those, so I don't need them. And I think there's a shop back here. Hiding out. It's smashing.
That can go on.
It's under construction. There's nothing in there yet. Okay, that's
Eat
a little bit
Slimmo.
upsetting. I realize that there is a shop to the right of me, but I'm not allowed to show it yet because somebody hasn't made their video yet. So we're just gonna completely ignore that for now. Let's just head home because I forgot I have one more cool thing to show you guys. Oh, you are gonna
That
love
little
this.
pig ain't gonna be surviving for long.
Actually, it gifted me.
Pupumus!
Pretty cool. It's in here. No, it's not. It's
Wow.
in here. Ta-da! Check it out. It's a rainbow
Wow.
shield. Let's swap it out for my almost broken, boring old wooden shield. Check out how cute it is. This
Bye-bye.
perfectly fits the theme of my house and my life. So that is where I'm going to end today's episode, guys.
Look at her, she got an arm.
And I will see you next time.
Yeah, I'm not sure where the army's at. We're not gonna complete the level when we only got 3 hearts left. He eventually popped. I'm going to strike. Yeah! My strike was terrible. At least I made them a nice stack. Hey, I only got 1 heart left. That is just wrong. If I fail this, I will be kicked off of Angry Birds for nobody on phone. Yes.
Hey, look at the way to make s'mores without camping.
Yeah, okay.
Want some s'mores, Kendra?
I'll strike.
You can make s'mores with animal crackers.
Yeah, duh. Strike! 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 Yes! And then dirty festivals. I think these to get that. That's how smother. Like yeah.
You crazy.
And we're winning. They were just over there asleep. I'ma show you about sleeping on the job. This your dad date. Yeah! Yeah. Don't stop skipping my video with the word roll too far. Yeah! I told you today was your dad date. Nippy. I'm not sure just one can handle this. I think if we just go ahead and do like this. No! Oh! Check this out.
Lemon.
Yeah! Piggies die.
You know lemon juice cleans stuff, right?
Yeah. Wow, we lost our only heart. Now we're gonna wait another 23 minutes. That's so unfair. We're gonna end this video here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.